They sent this hair over to me. It's supposed to be a bob wig. I've bought hair from Tinashe before, so I've tried their hair. And I would say that I think it's going to be some good feedback today. Let me show you what came in the bag. If I can open it. Okay. So in the bag it comes with a wig stocking hat. It comes with a brochure. I'll show you what it says on the inside down in a second. It comes with these mink lashes. And it says Tinashe hair. 3D mink eyelashes. And it comes with this band that melts your laces. And it's a long band too. And it says Tinashe hair on the band. It's so cute. It's a cute pink. And it comes with a bonnet. When I ordered from them before, I had got a blue bonnet, I believe. And it comes with these adjustable straps. And it says Tinashe hair on it as well. Is everything in the video? Oh, and it comes with this cute bag that says Tinashe. I mean, it tells you where you can follow and get discount, free hair and gifts. Tells you a little bit of backstory of where they came for wholesale bundles, how to hair care instructions on how to take care of the hair. And on the back it tells you where their Facebook and Instagram handles. So, and this is the actual wig. It is a lace wig, and it tells you on here what, I don't know if you guys can see that because it is black too. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the length is 4 inches, a short wig, a 13x4 lace front wig, and the density, they checked off to 180 density. This is how it looks out the bag. I mean, out the box. This is how it looks out the bag. Plastic papers over here. This is how the wig is looking. This is a what is it? A loose wave, loose deep wave. It tells you on the bag what it is. So a loose deep wave, 14 inches. So yeah, this is what it's looking like fresh out the bag. And this is how the insides. It comes with 4 clips in the back, 1 in the front, and 2 in the sides. This one is most likely going to be cut off because I don't ever use this clip. I don't know if these ones will be, but I know the back one will definitely be staying to tuck under my braids. And the wig is pre-plucked. The wig is pre-plucked, you guys can see. And you can see better right there. It's pre-plucked, but I'm still gonna probably do my own initial plucking. And this is a 13x4, so the part doesn't go that far back, but it's a decent part. It goes that far back. And the knots do have to be bleached because them knots are not bleached. So that's gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do. So we're gonna start bleaching these knots. Okay, so we're gonna actually use the container that the bleach came in. And it comes with this scooper. I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna just mix up one because I think we should do a half, 1.5. Okay, 1.5 should be perfect. And you don't want you want the I don't know how to say the word. You don't want it to be too watery. my back. This is all the hair that was plucked out from the front. This is what the frontal looks like. After it's plucked, I'll probably do a little bit more plucking. But this is what it looks like. Because the frontal was pre-plucked, but that's all the hair that I took out so far. So I was having difficulty. I had to take my bun out and put it in a different way. So this is the way we got this cap on now. All active. And I learned this from Erica Jane. Right here, I'm gonna slit the lace so I can measure it and make sure it is in the right spots. I think that's best to do when you're working with a whole frontal. This is the Bold Hold Active that I'm using because I'm a sweaty bitch. But I put 2 layers of it on. So I waited for the first layer to dry and then I put a second layer on. And then I'm gonna start laying my lace. You're gonna want to tie your hair down with a silk scarf or some sort of silky product so it won't stick to it as much, so you can have that type of melt. Because look at that, look like it's coming from the scalp, bitch. And I ain't even cut the lace off yet. back to do my exit video. I think it looks very cute though. I tried to wet it back up so the curls can be more defined when they dry back up again. This is kind of like a slanted bob, curly bob. Like it gets longer in the front and short in the back. But I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna go beat this face and I'll be right back. This is what it's giving from the scalp. This is the finished results. My quick how to slay a lace video and melt, boo, melt.
Wake up.